Hello दोस्तों, welcome to FPL Gupshup. मेरा नाम है रक्षित. I'm joined once again by Manan Chipper to preview Game Week 20 in FPL. Manan, welcome and it's a very quick turnaround. हर पॉड में मुझे लग रहा है मनन बोल रहा हूँ कि बहुत क्विक टर्नअराउंड है. But this is genuinely very quick. Like less than 24 hours left.
Yeah,
तो
that
we
that
should
time of the season.
absolutely कोई
Yeah.
मॉक करने का, टॉन्ट मारने का, एटसेट्रा कुछ पॉइंट नहीं है. और कुछ है भी नहीं खास. कुछ तीनों के स्कोर्स में फर्क नहीं है. लो स्कोरिंग वीक है, जस्ट अबाउट पार है. मैं तो कहूँगा स्लाइड ग्रीन्स से लेकर ओके ग्रीन्स आए लोगों के. आई एम जॉइंट लास्ट विद यू दिस वीक, which is fine.
I am
But
joined. I'm joined second, so I don't know how you are joined last.
I am joined last. You're joined second. But
Yeah.
Bhatia Saab, will Bhatia Saab be back for the next pod? I don't think so, right?
I
उसके बाद वाले
hope
पे आएंगे.
so. I hope not, but I think he might.
It's been a great time to not have Bhatia Saab on the pod, by
Yeah.
the way.
Else he would have been a cocky SOB. Yeah.
Oh man. But दोस्तों लाइक करो.
Please
लाइक करो
subscribe.
बिकॉज हमने एक भी गेम वीक का प्रीव्यू मनन मिस नहीं किया इस सीजन. नॉट
Yeah,
इवन
no,
वन.
that's commendable, and
That's
I
crazy.
just like कि response भी लोगों ने अच्छा दिया है. थोड़ा like
Yeah.
कम करते हैं. But do join the FPL Gupshup mini league जिसका
Telegram
कोड
channel
आपके
also.
नीचे and Telegram channel, and show your support, please. Thank you.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, dosto. Let's, without wasting any time, dosto, let's start with the biggest story of the week, Manan, which is Enzo Maresca has left Chelsea. This is not a football podcast. This is an FPL podcast. So I will ask you, what are the immediate FPL implications
Yeah.
of this decision?
Again, इससे immediate और हो नहीं सकता because I was until yesterday, जब तक ये news नहीं आई थी, I was considering not captaining Haaland against, because Enzo Maresca has been really good. अगर आप देखो जितने बड़े matches में I genuinely loved him as a tactical manager, and especially बड़े games में he used to get everything right. You talk about Arsenal 10 man, you talk about Barcelona, you talk about PSG, right? He used to be on top of every big match tactics wise. So I was not considering Haaland as a captain, but now without Caicedo and no Enzo, whoever the coach is, interim hoga, I'm assuming tab tak caretaker coach. So I'm just fancying Haaland, and itna bada impact hai na ye. I can't even tell you. I think it's, first of all, I know it's not a football, but I think it's a wrong decision. But I was also eyeing Chelsea for their run na 22 se, and now I'm thinking about it. I just want to see how they do for a couple of game weeks. I'll don't go towards Palmer right now. Just assist for a couple of weeks. Naya manager kaun aata hai? How do they look? Everything, but yeah, it's huge. I think in terms of captaining Haaland, for me that has changed. Yeah, I'm gonna captain him now.
Yeah, very well put. I do not have much to add. The only thing I'll say is कि Maresca bigger matches में always used to turn up, right? He was very good tactically in these bigger matches. I think it sort of suited how Chelsea used to play in these sort of big matches. But एक तो Caicedo वैसे ही नहीं है, which is absolutely huge for Chelsea.
Yeah.
He got suspended. He's suspended for this match. Plus Maresca नहीं है. एतिहाद पे मैच है. City are good अपने home पे. I can see a City win.
And they just dropped points. They just dropped
Drop
points.
points. Yeah, I think Odoku's back. Yeah, it's gonna be. I will back City to win this match, but let's see what happens. Yeah, मतलब players तो हैं Chelsea के पास भी अभी, but yeah, it's pretty big. In terms of आगे क्या होगा, it will depend Manan on who is the manager. Like Liam Rosenior है, etc. उनकी हम बाद में बात कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अभी तो interim manager होगा. Okay, let's talk about the teams. Bhatia Saab has 48 points this week. खास फर्क नहीं है teams में, but he got 48 points with 10 players.
Yeah.
But a couple of players, Manan, basically
It's all about a couple
sealed
of
his
players.
green arrow. Gabriel and Tarkovsky.
Yeah, it's all about a couple of players. I felt it was a lucky clean sheet for Everton. I think for the last two game weeks.
Oh my
Lucky
God.
is a small word.
2xg they conceded.
Yeah, almost 2-3 big chances. They should. I still don't know how that game was 0-0. Gabriel.
मेरे को प्रॉब्लम ये नहीं थी कि एवर्टन की क्लीन शीट आई. मेरी प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि भाटिया साहब की क्लीन शीट आई.
तो वही है, मेरे लिए भी वही था. मतलब मेरे लिए आई थॉट ही इज द, अगेन आई रिपीट जो मैंने प्री बोला था पॉड की, ही इज वेरी लकी आई थिंक दिस वीक, राइट? इवन द गैब्रियल गोल आई
सीजन यू मीन.
या दिस सीजन, या बट आई थिंक गैब्रियल का भी गोल वाज वेरी लकी. लाइक आई मतलब Villa have been really good from set pieces, and that was the reason I did not bring Gabriel. I had the opportunity. I think that was a very lucky goal, both the clean sheet and the goal. But ठीक है, it is Bhatia Sab's world, and we are just trying
Yeah,
to survive
absolutely.
it. Yeah,
Absolutely. I don't think there is more to add. You can
yeah.
see the team on his screen. बाकी I'm not sure he started Jaka Manan या फिर वो as a sub आया था इनके लिए. But he has been just a
No,
superb player,
I
man.
think as a sub आया, he started Keane,
Yeah,
and
five
I
pointer.
think
मतलब Jaka is the perfect first sub in any match because
any match.
he's never that player जो आपको problem होगी bench करने में because he's not going to give you like double digit hauls and whatever goals. But अगर आपको इसकी ज़रूरत है, he will come with 4 to 6 points off the bench, which is exactly what you want. So he's always been like this insane first bench option this season. मेरे पास भाटिया साहब पास पूरे season रहा है. One of the only good things, if not the only good thing मेरे season में has been Jaka.
Rachit, I have a
So
question
yeah.
for you in terms of Bhatia Sab's stream. Just I'll take a second. This is the second consecutive week जहाँ पे Bhatia Sab has stayed on with 10. He has only had 10 playing players, right? Do you think that's a mismanagement? um, in terms of, I know he's scoring, okay, his players are scoring, but consecutively 2 game weeks, if you have 10 players, right? I know he's someone जिसको टीम न्यूज नहीं मिली थी because he's in a time zone जहाँ पे it's quite late, but feel कि he should improve either one of his midfielder or his forward to someone at least just to field 11 players.
या आई डोंट थिंक ही हैड इन्फो कि राइस और कीन दोनों
Yeah,
बाहर हैं.
yeah,
अगर राइस और
that's
कीन मतलब देयर वाज एब्सोल्युटली नो रूमर्स अबाउट राइस और कीन एंड उन्होंने
by,
नहीं
by
देखा था, राइट?
by the which could be the scene again this week.
या
Rice and Keane.
एग्जैक्टली. सो नाउ ही नोज. मैं मिसमैनेजमेंट नहीं बोलूंगा, मैं तो इनफैक्ट बोलूंगा उल्टा है मनन, बिकॉज इट हाईलाइट्स कि हम ऑब्सेस करते हैं अबाउट प्लेयर्स, बट इट्स अबाउट द क्वालिटी ऑफ प्लेयर यू गेट इन योर टीम. लाइक द प्लेयर ही गॉट इन इज Gabriel.
I'd say mismanagement. I'd personally say mismanagement. Fielding 10
बट
players, I know
एक
he has gotten good scores, but yeah.
one player has outscored his entire front six
Yeah,
almost, अगर आप देखो, in a way,
yeah.
right?
In a
So
way, yeah.
it's about the quality of the player you get. But yeah, he has some issues to solve, but he'll do it because he's an elite manager, of course.
Now I'm gonna get a
Let's go
WhatsApp
to
from
let's
Bhatia
go
Saab.
to
Mismanagement. Yeah.
another elite manager who is me. 43
Yeah.
points. Thank you for putting me second, by the way, just for the
Yeah.
feels.
I know.
Oh man. Uh, I'm happy. I'm reasonably happy, man. What do I say? After Tuesday when I had Cunha captain और हालैंड बचा था, and I was convinced कि मेरे हिसाब से Cunha is the best captain. मैंने आपसे बात करी थी कि Sunderland is going to be tough match, right? And
Yeah.
I can see like maximum 1 or 2 goals from City. बहुत thrashing मैशिंग होगी, irrespective of the fact कि उनके defenders missing है, Ballard नहीं है, players AFCON में है, but Stadium of Light पे हमने अब enough देख लिया है.
We have seen
They
enough.
are
Yeah.
very difficult to beat, and they defend like monsters. And it was a brilliant defensive performance from them. So I went against Haaland. Problem is कि prime Manchester United turned up against Wolves. Manan 1-1 at Old Trafford. I am not the only one who got burned. People got in like defenders from United, man. People removed. I saw a guy who did Mukiele to Dorgu this week.
Oh no.
Right? So this sort of things happened. And Wolves ने आर्सेनल अवे स्कोर किया, लिवरपूल अवे स्कोर किया, एंड यूनाइटेड अवे
And
भी स्कोर
United
किया.
always score. Yeah.
या तो
Yeah.
इट्स नॉट द राइट मैचअप अगर आप वुल्व्स को अपने होम पे खेलते हो, क्लियरली, चाहे आपके अटैक के लिए हो चाहे अपने डिफेंस के लिए हो. आर्सेनल स्कोर 2 goals अगेंस्ट देम, लिवरपूल स्कोर 2 goals अगेंस्ट देम, यूनाइटेड स्कोर 1 goal अगेंस्ट देम. सो अगर आपको टारगेट करना है वुल्व्स को तो अवे करो, होम पे मत करो. बट United were abysmal, man. They're absolutely abysmal.
Can't trust United. You can't.
Just they will do random things, but I don't regret my decision, to be honest. I do regret not getting Gabriel, जो मेरा शुरू से प्लान था. बट वो जो न्यूज आई ना डेक्लन राइस की, मैं थोड़ा सा स्वे हो गया. मैंने आपसे कॉल हो रही थी, मैंने कहा कि यार ये तो अच्छा है विला के लिए. विला वर डिसेंट आई थिंक फर्स्ट हाफ में, until second half में आर्सेनल गेम एंड blew them away. I got in Malik Thiaw, longer term move. I'm going to keep him for a while. Okay, Defcons आए 4
No, but
pointer,
considered an unlucky goal. That was a really good finish on the volley,
Yeah,
bro. मतलब बहुत.
but Manan Burnley deserved to score.
Yeah.
And Newcastle were again shaky defensively. अच्छा
Hmm.
खास कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं. निको राइली went off 57 minutes. I think बहुत लोग के पास होगा. We do not have an update on him right now, but he went straight down the tunnel. तो I think Manan क्योंकि short turnaround है, he may be a doubt for this week at least.
I'm not
right?
expecting him to start. मतलब even if he's
Same.
fine, even if it was a knock, it's too early, and they
Yeah.
have replacement options who can play there.
Yeah. Happy with Timber 9-pointer. कुछ लोगों ने Timber को भी बेचा था. A friend of mine actually did Timber to Dorgu also in my mini league. I'll take the 5 points from Vicario. I would not say lucky clean sheet. It is exactly the sort of performance जो Tottenham produce कर सकते हैं from time to time. Random clean sheets आएंगी because बहुत ही defensive manager है. Away clean sheets against Palace and Brentford back to back, which is I would say an
Insane.
achievement. Problem is going forward. I'm fully expecting कि home matches में they'll concede. Xhaka की बात कर चुका हूँ 5 points. Thiago blank, never looked like scoring. Foden again blank. मनन हम बात नहीं कर रहे इसकी, but अब I think 3 blanks in a row type आ गए हैं या 4 blank in a row आ गए. I'm not sure. But ठीक है, I think one to monitor at least. Jared Bowen, in a week like this जहाँ बहुत सारे strikers ने blank करा है, to have like a goal from him and 2 bonus points just highlights his value, especially over this period where you know he's going to start every match and he has Wolves. Shout out to Alderete, man, what a beast. 8 points. Was never going to start him, of course, but
Yeah.
I love Sunderland players, man. They're awesome. 43 points for you, Manan.
Again, in a week like this, my defense sort of bailed me out. I got 21 points, almost half the score from the defensive unit. Goalkeepers, none of them really returned, so I can't complain a lot. Thiago with 4 defcons you mentioned. Van Dijk with a 6 again. As soon as you pointed out in the group that DCL is not starting, so there's a chance of a clean sheet. But I never expected a 0-0. So again, I'll happily take the 6 points, and I think final goodbye from Van Dijk to me was a solid 6-pointer. O'Reilly won.
Which is a haul from Van Dijk. 6 points is a haul.
Oh my God! Yes, 100% yes. Like was not expect. Rakshit, you remember I was talking about transferring Van Dijk out even before this fixture, right? So anyway, 9 points exactly. Timber. What? Just lucky assist again. That was an insane finish. So I'm glad he got that assist. Cunha disappointing. Foden, you said perfectly, right? We are not talking about O'Reilly and Foden enough. I think both of them need to be shipped out, and I don't think Triple City worth है, honestly. Semenyo,
मतलब the way Cherki is playing, and I still feel best City player yesterday also.
Yeah.
So if you want to have a second City attacker right now, it's looking like Cherki is the one.
Yeah, I agree. And even the defender to get is Matheus Nunes or Guardiola.
Matheus Nunes. Yeah,
or Guardiola.
Matheus Nunes is killing it, man.
Yeah, I agree. Semenyo with a 5-pointer, it's really welcomed. I was not expecting anything.
Great assist, by the way.
Yeah.
ये कैसे assist है भाई? इस सीजन है क्या है ये? थ्रो इन से चालोबा ने हेडर मारा और क्लाइवर्ट ने गोल कर दिया. मतलब कहाँ से इंटेंडेड था वो थ्रो इन फॉर क्लाइवर्ट?
थ्रो इन इंटेंडेड था, गोल की तरफ था, उसको तो गोल के पॉइंट्स मिलने चाहिए थे, बट ठीक है, I'll take the assist points. Thiago has had 1 return since game week 13, I think. And Utara का नहीं होना is really bad because of penalties भी नहीं मिल रही है. And Sade had an insane chance where he could have crossed to Thiago.
Yeah.
Thiago would have easily scored. मतलब बहुत easy chance था, but Sade is very selfish. He did not pass. He tried to take on, and Sade is not good for Thiago. I've realized, and I can't wait to.
What selfish है?
Sade, he's hogging all the chances, sir. Even last match when he scored a trick, Thiago was in and around. He could have passed him for any of those goals. He didn't. So I don't think it's and even Lewis Potter, he's someone who likes to cross, but he'd go for the opportunity if he wants to. So I just feel that's bad for Thiago, and unless he's getting penalties, he's not going to score an open goal. I've realized, and he's also dropping a lot deep for Sade and Lewis Potter to make those runs. बहुत deep आके वो कर रहा है. Although he goes back 1-to-1 करने के लिए, but I still feel it's not good for Thiago. So I'm waiting. I don't have enough players to line up right now, so he has to stay. But we'll see. Yeah,
interesting. Yeah, okay. And Haaland captain, of course. He had that one big chance. उसके अलावा nothing.
That was also from a Foden cross, so that would have been huge. But it's okay.
One shout out to Saka जो हर week consistently आपको एक assist दे देता है at least.
Very happy with him. Very
अगर clean sheet नहीं आती तो bonus भी आया था. But that's the point now. Gabriel is back, Manan. And I think थोड़ा implications आएगा on Arsenal defense. क्योंकि अगर आप फिक्सचर्स देखोगे यू विल सी कि हाँ यार बोर्नमथ अवे है, लिवरपूल एट होम है, बट कुछ मैटर नहीं करता है आर्सेनल के लिए।
नहीं
अगर
नहीं
जब गैब्रियल टीम में होता है ना भाई, दे
या
लोग, आई एम नॉट सरप्राइज दे कंसीडर्ड आफ्टर ही वाज subbed off and Timber was subbed off, because once he's in the team na, he's like the leader of their defense, and he
he's the
brings
best
that
asset in
aura,
the game.
man.
He's the best
Yeah,
asset
he's
in the
best
game.
asset in the game. He's best asset in the game,
Really.
and I'm pretty sure most people are planning to get Gabriel
So
this week. Are you planning to get Gabriel this week?
yeah, I have to. It's just I still have a doubt. I know he got subbed off early, but before that he got a knock, and Arteta was telling him to stay down to waste time. Okay,
Yeah,
and
he had a
after that he got,
basically had a
yeah, I
cramp.
think he had a cramp. And Arteta की press conference हो गई अब जब हम ये record कर रहे हैं. So there was no mention of anything. So I'm
Yeah,
probably gonna get Gabriel because even if he starts, even if he comes off the bench, even if he is, just get him. There's
just
no
get
point
him
in.
tension free देखो, because he's a
Yeah,
beast,
matlab,
just a beast.
else you cannot watch. Even if you have triple Arsenal and if you don't have Gabriel, you cannot watch this. By the way, shout out to Villa for scoring that last goal. They deserved it.
Yeah,
And
they deserve it.
again for all the Raya owners, Dinky clean sheet, I'm really laughing. Sorry. I
But
you know as soon as
एक
I messaged Rakshit Raya, like So I'm sorry,
मुझे
but
लगा
yeah,
पेनल्टी में डाली or
I
something.
thrive on other people's faith. Sorry, yeah.
बट सॉर्ट ऑफ 1-2 हो गया था आर्सेनल का, अगर आप क्लीन शीट्स की
Yeah.
बात करो विदाउट गैब्रियल. डू यू थिंक दे विल कीप मोर क्लीन शीट्स नाउ?
100%, 100% they will. Gabriel is a very solid defender. Last season तक मैं बोलता था कि Saliba is the main defender, but now Gabriel is, because even of Defcons हम जिस तरीके से देखते हैं हम सिर्फ Defcon के points देखते हैं, but Defcons is essentially that defender doing everything, right?
Yeah,
Interceptions, tackles, and everything,
defensive
and
actions, yes.
yeah, defensive action. So that is what Gabriel gives you. He's first on every header, he's first on every interception, tackle. So he makes a lot of difference.
Okay, cool. Any other team you want to point out before we move to the next graphic quickly?
I don't think बहुत कुछ है to discuss, so we can move on. Yeah,
Okay, fine.
in terms of teams. Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the projected goals and clean sheets. This graphic was destroyed this week, by the way, last week.
Yeah. There were so
मैसेकर.
many
हमने कहा था
blues,
मनन कि
right?
वो बहुत सारे ब्लू है, ये है सिटी ऑफ फेसिंग सनडरलैंड, यूनाइटेड है वुल्व्स, लिवरपूल है लीड्स, ये और boom, nothing happened. No one
Yeah.
scored more than 2 goals, 1 goal, 0 goals. So my question is कि broader अगर आप देखोगे, मतलब should we ignore this जब turnaround बहुत short होता है, considering कि team news क्या है, या फिर this week midweek was an anomaly you feel?
No. Midweeks होते हैं normally. We have seen less goals in midweeks, and I don't think you should just not consider this as not. Obviously, these are betting odds, and obviously goal scoring odds, clean sheet. These are betting odds, and the betting people absolutely know what they're doing.
Yeah.
These really help. It do help. Like if I have a situation between two defense, right? I'll just play the defender who has more clean sheet odds. That's how I look at it. Just have a sense of it, but अगर आपके कोई gut feeling है, you can also go against it. It's not कि this is the holy grail and you can't go against it. So I'll just say that. In terms of this week, Rakshit, I don't see a lot of goals. There are a lot of 50-50s. If you see Wolves, West Ham, Leeds United, Everton, Brentford, like even I'll say Fulham, Liverpool for me is a 50-50 match. Captaincy wise हम हमारी टीम में बात करेंगे, but do you have any particular asset you think जिसके लिए इस वीक फिक्सचर बहुत अच्छा है, people want to get them. Yeah.
यार थोड़ा सा डीप डाइव करना पड़ेगा, बट अगेन हम गैब्रियल की बात कर चुके हैं. आर्सेनल के लिए आई फील इट्स अ गुड फिक्सचर फॉर एवरीवन, फॉर देयर डिफेंस, फॉर देयर अटैक, एवरीवन, बिकॉज़ बोर्नमथ दे डू हैव अ गो. ऑल्दो बोर्नमथ का डिफेंसिव रिकॉर्ड इज गुड एट होम, बाय द वे. They have, I think, conceded like 6 goals or something at home only this season.
Yeah.
So I know they will have a go, but don't expect ki 3-4 goals from Arsenal. I would still say 1 to 2 goals from Arsenal, but good clean sheet chances. I would agree with the clean sheet chances. काफी अच्छी चांस है, I think. तो मेरे को तो number 1 तो I'll jump on to Arsenal. If you have like 1 Arsenal, get 2 Arsenal. If you have 2 Arsenal, probably get 3 Arsenal. That's my वो. उसके अलावा मुझे लगता है सिटी के लिए होम मैच है विदाउट काइसेडो, विदाउट मारेस्का, हम बात कर चुके हैं. आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड मैच. फिर आई थिंक बहुत अनरिलायबल टीम्स आ रही हैं. इफ यू लुक एट द ब्लूज ओनली, लिवरपूल को क्या मैं ट्रस्ट करता हूँ अवे एट फुलहम? नो. टॉटनहम को ट्रस्ट करता हूँ अवे एट होम एट सनडरलैंड? एब्सोल्युटली नो. मैं तो इनफैक्ट डिसएग्री करूंगा विद द ऑड्स आल्सो.
I agree.
आई थिंक न्यूकासल आर अ टीम जो अपने होम पे आर वेरी वेरी गुड. आई वुड बैक देम फॉर अ विन. बट पैलेस, यू पॉइंटेड आउट कि दे आर बेटर अवे फ्रॉम होम दिस सीजन जितना,
Yeah.
और उनको सूट करता है वो अवे गेम. तो अगेन मैं बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं हूँ. यूनाइटेड, we had fancy Leeds, right? Bookies are fancying Leeds also in this match,
No,
right?
Leeds are the
Uh,
favorites in this match. Yeah.
yeah, even
By
Wolves
the way,
को favorites माना जा रहा है West
by
Ham के
the way,
against. तो again these
Leeds
are matches का कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Leeds last lost a match in November,
Yeah,
and December was a
they've been
very
so good.
so they've been really really good, and they
Calvert Lewin
rested
was rested. आप कह
and
रहे
they
हो ना
rested
player
players.
target कर रहे हो?
Yeah.
Calvert Lewin.
Sir, मैं बोलूंगा if I did not have any more problems in my teams, now I would do Thiago to Calvert Lewin in a
Yeah,
heartbeat. Trust me, मतलब it's
absolutely.
that good of a fixture.
Yep. Everton, Brentford, Everton, can they keep their haram ball up? I think maybe they can, but जहाँ
They
पे आप
can
expect
actually.
करोगे वहाँ पे they might concede. It's
Yeah.
exactly that sort of match जहाँ पे misfire कर सकता है to remove, like you remove Thiago and he scores in this match against your Everton defense. This is that sort of match. West Ham on paper they will get space against Wolves. अपने home पे they're bad. Bowen मैं बोलूँगा is still a good option.
It's a
We
very good option.
realistically are backing West Ham to score at least one goal. Good chance he is involved again. They look decent with Callum Wilson also coming on. I would definitely consider, if you have Sunderland assets, you can play against Tottenham again. It's that sort of week.
What about the Villa
So
Forest match, Rakshit? Like as someone who has Semenyo and you have Rogers, right? I'm eyeing Semenyo to Rogers. Do you think
yeah,
it's a good move?
yeah, I think it's a good long-term move. Semenyo is not going to be an option. It's an easy sell.
Yeah.
Villa, Villa sort of are a team जो अपने home पे they can be trusted a lot. Their home record is absolutely absurd. अगर away होता मुझे थोड़ा doubt होता, but I think they played well in the first half. They were just beaten by the better team. Yeah, no one is expecting
Yeah.
कि Villa will win the league. They're firmly in the Champions League contention. They're still easily third in the league, and home पे they are good. And I am backing them to score a couple of goals against Forest. और अगर couple of goals है तो I think someone like Rogers is so consistent. Normally plays 90 minutes. He's gonna start every match. He's in good form. Low
Taking free
block
kick.
लाएगा. Sean Dyche, he
Mm,
can score from outside the box, right?
yeah.
तो फ्री किक्स भी आजकल लेनी शुरू कर दिया. I think he's a good long term. Whole Villa के fixture are also turning from this week, so it's a solid move, I think.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to add?
No, I think you summed up every fixture quite nicely, and I'm not looking forward to this week. Yeah.
Okay, let's discuss then why you're not looking forward to this week. Your team looks good, man. Uh, I think a lot depends on O'Reilly ka status for you, na? And
Yeah,
Michael Keane.
and Keane, because I brought Keane in for those fixtures last match. He missed it. There were rumors about it, but again I benched him, and obviously he didn't play. But I want him to come back ASAP, like, because otherwise I I need to make transfers. Obviously, if O'Reilly and Keane both are not fit, I'm into hit categories, because then otherwise I'll struggle to play players. The I have one free transfer. I'm gonna do Semenyo to Rogers. Semenyo, as you said, is a easy sell. Then I'll have to see. The plan was always to do Van Dijk to Gabriel this week, but if O'Reilly and Keane both are not fit, right? So I don't know if I can do the Van Dijk to Gabriel move, because otherwise I won't be able to bench 11 play 11 players. So देखना पड़ेगा. If अगर O'Reilly and Keane दोनों fit नहीं होते, then Van Dijk to Gabriel will be for a -8. So I'll have to assess
So
if I can
you
or
have
not.
to
Yeah.
basically decide कि आपको Rogers prioritize करना है या फिर Gabriel prioritize करना है.
Yeah, no, I will. True, but Van
Kinda.
Dijk, yeah. But I would obviously prioritize Gabriel. It's just I also don't want Semenyo. So I am open to a -8 this week. I think it will be a -4 or a -8 for me,
Yeah.
which I don't like,
It
but
again,
I have a lot of.
जैसे last week you were talking to me about Gordon, and अगर आप वो move कर देते तो I think you would have been regretting it. And Semenyo Gordon they matched each other, तो
Yeah.
at least आपको वो hit नहीं लेना पड़ा. तो again
तभी
मैं तो वही बोलूँगा कि look
90
at,
minute Rogers is someone I like,
I
यार.
know,
मतलब,
but
yeah.
do you really have to get him this week is the question. Semenyo, will he play this week? I don't think he will, right?
That's why I'm struggling to field players, Rakshit. That's why I have
Yeah,
to take a hit to at least
you
field
have
the
to
player.
prioritize Semenyo removal then,
Yeah, I have
because
to,
I
because
don't think he'll play.
also because
Van
Bournemouth,
Dijk
I
will play
think.
at least.
Yeah, exactly. So if I could, I have to see if I can do Semenyo to Rogers and O'Reilly to a Gabriel. If I can do that, I'll do that first.
Can you?
And I'll have to check. I think I'll check while we talk about your team. But captaincy is something also. Again, as I mentioned early on in the Maraska segment, that looking to I was looking to captain Saka this week before the Maresca news, but now I'm firmly in the Haaland category, and I'm just checking once again if I can afford that move. Just a second. I can't.
Yeah,
I'm
you
0.3
can't.
short. I can't. Yeah. So
Okay, okay. Yeah, so other problems just become like you can just push them off. Like Thiago is okay for this week, Cunha is okay for this week.
yeah,
All these guys are like fine. O'Reilly का I think fitness update मिलेगा, that will be useful. But
I think
मेरे मेरे लिए तो easy hold है Van Dijk for you this week considering player ही नहीं है बाकी.
no, but if Keane is fit or O'Reilly is fit, right, then I'm doing Van Dijk to Gabriel and Semenyo to Rogers. I'm happy. I need
Okay.
Gabriel,
You
Rakshit,
just
because
need one of these two to play basically.
yeah, I need one of these two to play. And but I'm not sure they will. Currently, the I don't think we'll get a good fitness update on both of them. So
Hmm.
I think I'll need to take a hit. Do you think, Rakshit? Just last question. I can do O'Reilly to Gabriel and Semenyo to a sub 7.2 million, but it's not gonna be Rogers. So would you do
But
that?
who are you targeting though?
I don't know. That's what I'm asking you.
If you want Rogers longer term, then
I
what the
want.
extra hit?
Yeah.
क्योंकि ऑप्शन है नहीं कोई अनलेस आपको डेक्लन राइस टाइप का प्लेयर लाना है जो अभी खुद इंजर्ड है.
And
राइस पे बाय द वे अपडेट है कि उसके अभी भी स्वेलिंग है नी पे,
yeah.
सो ही इज आल्सो बिग डाउट आई वुड से.
Yeah, no, I'm not. No, I cannot get Rice. I'll have three
या
Arsenal anyway just with Gabriel. Last question: if I do take that additional hit, Van Dijk to Gabriel, Semenyo to Rogers, O'Reilly to who? For sub like sub 5 million. Collins, Vandenven, yeah, good options.
आई हैवंट थॉट अबाउट इट रियली. आई स्टिल लाइक वैन हेक बट यू हैव वर्बरुगन.
Yeah, I can't go Brighton. Yeah.
उसके अलावा ब्रेंटफोर्ड डिफेंस यू रियली वांट टू गो?
Uh, Actually, they've been really good. I think they for the last 8 game weeks they are third or fourth in terms of least
हाउ
big
आर द
chances
फिक्सचर्स
conceded.
दो?
They are mixed. They are mixed, but I'm currently leaning more towards Mickey Vandenven. It's just he feels like a solid move or a Forest defender.
जब तक थॉमस फ्रैंक टीम में है ना, मतलब मैनेजर है
Yeah,
स्पर्स का जो
yeah,
माइट नॉट बी फॉर दैट लॉन्ग बाय द वे, बट हाँ जैन में तो रहेगा आई थिंक.
yeah.
तब तक
I
दे
think
विल
he'll
गेट
be
रैंडम
given
क्लीन
time.
शीट्स.
No, it's not the previous ownership. It's not ki Tottenham. I don't think he'll. I think they'll stay with Frank at least Jan, and because Jan में
दे
बहुत सारे fixtures है.
दे विल कीप
So
रैंडम क्लीन शीट्स, या
that's
आई
why
फील.
I'm considering Mickey Vandenven, but I don't see a lot of good defenders, Rakshit. It's like there are no good midfielders, there are no good defenders, there are no good forwards. Yeah, this season is a mess. Anyway,
Okay, let's go to my team. I don't have इतने issues. I will do either Calafiori or O'Reilly to Gabriel. Right, so it totally depends on O'Reilly का
yeah,
diagnosis क्या है, क्या न्यूज़ है क्या नहीं है, आई डोंट नो. प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस होगी नहीं होगी, कुछ लीक आता है, whatever, आई डोंट नो. अगर मुझे पता चलता है कि O'Reilly बनन इज आउट फॉर लाइक अ मंथ, 4 week 3 weeks or something, तो I'll do O'Reilly. I have the funds. I'll do O'Reilly to Gabriel and काला फ्यूरी के लिए अल्डेरेटे, जाका एक्सेट्रा कैन कम ऑन. और अगर मुझे लगता है कि ओराइली का छोटा सा इशू है फॉर एग्जांपल, तो देन काला फ्यूरी आउट एंड
Mhm.
गेब्रियल इन हो जाता है.
Yeah,
अदरवाइज नो इश्यूज, इट्स डिसेंटली सेट फॉर दिस वीक. थियागो थियागो की बात करते हैं, बट बोवन इज फाइन, हार्न इज फाइन, रॉजर्स, कुनिया, फोर्डन इज सेट, थियाओ इज फाइन, टिम्बर एंड गेब्रियल आ जाएंगे टीम में, विकारियो इज ऑल राइट, नो ऑप्शन. बेंच पे आई रियली डोंट माइंड सनदरलैंड प्लेयर्स कमिंग इन, लाइक
yeah.
काला फ्यूरी अगर लेट से
That's
नहीं है
the
तो. अगर मुझे ओराइली हटाना है और काला फ्यूरी फॉर एग्जांपल नहीं खेल रहा है, तो आई कैन गेट प्ले अल्डरेटे और जाका.
Didn't
राइट,
we
यू
get
मेंशन
news
कि अल्डरेटे.
Calafiori is out?
Calafiori is out. Calafiori is
Yeah.
out for sure. But if I
Hmm.
remove, let's say, O'Reilly, तो then Calafiori की जगह one of these guys can come.
Yeah.
So that's not a problem for me.
Who's your preference
My,
between Xhaka and Alderete?
I think I agree with you. I'll probably go Alderete.
Yeah.
Better scope of clean sheet points, header, and defcons, all three.
Yeah, I agree.
तो एंड जेन्युइनली बहुत मेरे लिए सरप्राइज नहीं होगा अगर संडरलैंड विन और कीप
Or
अ क्लीन
keep a
शीट
clean
विन.
sheet. Yeah,
या डेफिनेटली हो सकता है.
same.
सो Alderete इज अ बीस्ट. डेफकॉन्स वाइज ही मुझे लगता है अच्छा मैच है इसके लिए. सो probably he most probably start anyways. I might even start him ahead of O'Reilly even if O'Reilly is fit.
I would start O'Reilly over. I would start Alderete over O'Reilly personally.
Exactly. That's how I feel about it also.
Yeah.
मेरा सवाल ये है कि would you let's say play one of the Sunderland boys over Thiago या फिर too much of a risk
I'm not. No,
considering
I'm
he
not.
is still on penalties.
I'm not opposed to it. I know it, but they're not getting up. If you see Thiago को let's say 7 penalties मिली, उसमें से 4 or 5 तो उटारा ने जीती है यार. So, but
I know.
Utara is no more in the team. Obviously, he's on AFCON.
But
So
penalty, you know, right? He can score obviously.
मिल सकती है सर, obviously मिल सकती है. Again, it's all about ceiling, right? Xhaka की ceiling है 4, 5, 6 points,
देखो
right?
एवर्टन ऐसा तो नहीं है कि बहुत अच्छा डिफेंड करा उन्होंने जिसकी वजह से क्लीन शीट आई है.
But
राइट.
but
और
अपने
अगर
home पे I'll trust them more
सकते हो.
ना. I'll trust them more अपने home पे.
बट अगर माइकल कीन नहीं है तो आई वोंट ट्रस्ट देम दैट मच.
That's true. But also
They conceded
Brentford are
2
not
XG,
good
man.
away from home, Rakshit. Brentford
They
are
are not
not
bad away
that
from
good
home
away.
also.
Yeah.
They are not that bad also.
Yeah,
I think it's a 50-50 कॉल की रखेगी क्लीन शीट नहीं रखेगी.
Yeah.
इट डिपेंड्स ऑन कि आप डेटा पे कितना मानते हैं कितना बैक करते हैं.
Mhm.
इफ यू थिंक दे कैन अभी तक हमने जो भी ट्रेंड देखा है ना कि कैन दिस टीम कीप इट अप, दे हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू कीप इट अप. इट हैज इवन्ड अप.
Yeah.
किसी भी टीम
नहीं,
की बात कर लो.
also बस problem वही आती है with it's not a problem obviously, it's a plus, but Xhaka 4, 5, 6 points, right? And Thiago with the उसकी ceiling
4,
थोड़ी
5, 6
ज़्यादा है, let's
points
say
also.
इसको. Yeah.
पता
Yeah.
नहीं.
Yeah.
No, I'm fine with Xhaka as a first sub. मतलब कोई नहीं
Yeah.
खेला तो he can come on.
Exactly.
That's how I
Yeah.
treat him.
Fair.
Alderete probably I'll start over one of the two defenders. तो देखते हैं एक बार क्या न्यूज़ आती है O'Reilly पे. उसके बाद I'll take a call. But I think famous last words, but 11 players तो उतार देने चाहिए without a
No,
hint.
I think you have a very good team, Rakshit. I know you'll say
सर देखो मेरी
something
पूरी
else,
सीजन
but
अच्छी टीम रही है और फिर भी रेड एरोज आए हैं.
that I don't agree. But I think this week you have a really good, because you have good differentials in terms of Foden and Bowen and Rogers, which I really like. And
रॉजर्स तो है लोगों के पास यार.
नहीं, इतने नहीं है सर, वो लगता है, but वो सर a lot of you forget कि a lot of dead teams have Rogers, right? तो उसकी ownership, क्योंकि start में we all started with Rogers. So it's not like कि people are मतलब, and last दो fixtures Chelsea Arsenal थे. They were the two most difficult fixtures they're gonna get for a longer time. So not a lot of engaged managers have Rogers, is what I feel. So
लाना पड़ेगा and people are prioritizing Gabriel.
Exactly. So
देखते हैं.
just an outside shout for captaincy for Gabriel, or do you think थोड़ा सा minutes risk है?
Minutes risk का पता नहीं, but are we that confident कि Bournemouth will not score? Like this is a classic match जहाँ Arsenal जहाँ टफ अवे मैच यहाँ पे क्लीन शीट रख लेती है एंड यहाँ उसे डेफकॉन्स भी मिल सकता है.
Exactly.
एंड सेट पीसेस से भी थोड़ा वो है, बट अगेन मुझे लगता है डिफेंडर्स के हॉल प्रेडिक्ट करना थोड़ा
I agree, but it's Gabriel and he's very good for bonus. Even if he gets a clean sheet, he might get a bonus if, let's say, Arsenal score 1.
Let's just say that if I'm not going Haaland, I'll go Gabriel.
Exactly. That's all. Exactly my point. I'd prioritize captaining Gabriel for those who want to go differential over Saka as well, personally.
For sure. Yeah. But yeah, let's see. I'm captaining Haaland this week. I think last two blanks, दोनों matches blank थे ना?
Yeah.
So again, people will start doubting, and this is the sort of match वहाँ पे he'll turn up. I feel.
Maresca factor बहुत बड़ा है रक्षित सर. For
Caicedo, Maresca, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'll go Haaland.
Yeah, same.
Okay, let's just wrap it up here, Manan, because again time नहीं है. But हाँ, FPL गपशप का टेलीग्राम चैनल दोस्तों जरूर फॉलो करना. वहाँ पे हम चिट चैट करेंगे, लीक्स पोस्ट करेंगे, लीक्स ऑफ कोर्स अगर आते हैं तो. एंड काफी सही मजा आ रहा है चैनल पे मेरे हिसाब से. तो लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में एंड पिन कमेंट एज वेल. और जाने से पहले दोस्तों प्लीज हिट द लाइक बटन, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends as well.
Finally we managed to keep it short, Rakshit.
Yeah, short, 35 minutes.
Yeah.
All right, all the best guys for game week 20, and we will see you very, very soon. Definitely see you for game week 31. unless
Yeah,
one of us
cheers, guys.
dies. Cheers, guys.
Not 31, 21, Rakshit.
21. Yeah.
Wow. Cheers, guys.
Yeah. Bye.